This is Surya, and this video is being recorded as part of Big Data course assignment taught by Professor Kaushik Dutta at the University of South Florida. In this video, uh, I will be showing you how to run MapReduce Java program using Hadoop, Java, and Eclipse, and it is based on this GitHub tutorial. I will be sharing this link in the comment sections. Uh, so we already have the code, the Java code written here already. Now, before starting with the program, let us just see what the Java code is. I'm switching to my VM, my Cloudera VM. So we have three Java classes. Let us see the mapper one first. This is a mapper class. In this class, we're basically taking a text file input and then using using space as a delimiter. We are dividing all the words, and then we're assigning as a key value pairs on all the words. So basically, if we have I am Rohit in the file, it will be I1 am 1 Rohit 1. So each letter will be given the value 1 and key is the word. So it is basically a key value pairs. And then this output file will be given as an input to the reducer, which using uh, the input from the mapper class will group by using the key, from which we'll get how many times each key has repeated. And then we have the application class, which has some parameters which shows the input paths, the output paths, and the mapper class, reducer class. So after this, we will be exporting I will be exporting our project into a jar file, which I already did. I'll show you where it is. It is in my desktop folder. Sorry, this is slow. So this is the jar file. As you can see, I named it as vote count.jar. Now we have to be able to run our application, we need to have an input file. I have created an input file here, named it input elections.txt, and this is the input that I've given. And the output that we're expecting is that so that the mapper class will take this, will assign keys to each and every word. So it will give Trump, comma one, Hillary, comma one, Bernie, comma one, and again Trump, comma one. And that input will be given, that output by the mapper class will be given as an input to the reducer class, which will group by the key, which are the names here. And then finally, we'll get each key and how many times it has been repeated. So this is basically how you can use this application to count the number of votes polled. Okay, now let's get into the HDFS system and then try to run this. So first, I will be uh, I'll create an input path. User, let us say input. I'm oh sorry, I did not give the directory here. Okay, now I'm creating an directory called input. Okay, this is an unrecognized I gave. Yeah, now this should work. Okay, so we have created a input directory inside Cloudera. So now I should copy the file that I've shown you, which is input elections. It is in this path. It is in desktop. Yes, this is my file. Now I should copy this file into this path, the directory that I've created right now, which is HDFS. And the file also, and the file input elections.txt, and then where I'm copying this in my HDFS system. I'm copying it to this path, which is the one that I gave before. Now, actually, we can make sure if the directory has been created. I have a huge browser open here. Sorry. Let's see if it has been created. Inside Cloudera, I created an input. Yes, it has been created, the directory, and yes, the text file has been copied successfully from my local to the HDFS system. Now the only thing left is to run the jar. So this is what I'm using. Yeah, the jar, which is my word count.jar. Oh, and the input that I've used is not this. Our input directory is just input, and then we don't have to create a file. The file will be automatically created, and also the directory we can create the directory in this command. I'll just give it as out. Okay. Well, it shows our job. We can track our job using this URL. Let us copy this and try to run it in our Hue browser. So yeah, this is our job. Let us see if our file has been created, the output file. Well, it has not been created yet, so it could be our job is still running. Yes, it is still running. It is not yet done. Yes, now our job has finished. Let us see if the output file has been created. Inside user, inside Cloudera. Yes, we got output here. This is the file, and yes, this is what we're expecting, like we expected. So finally, the application that we ran, the small Java program, it is counting how many times each word has repeated in the file that we're giving it as the input. And thank you.